Hello everyone, my name is Pilk Milk, and today I'm going to be using a wet paper towel to fix this Bucky figure. Now this Bucky figure is from Storm Collectibles, specifically the budget Bucky from Storm Arena, the product line Storm Arena, sorry. Now the issue that comes with this guy specifically is that its head is really loose. It's kind of hard to tell unless you have the figure, but the point being is that it's really loose right here in this headpiece that, not even putting so much effort or so much force, it immediately comes off. Same goes for the swappable head, which is even worse than this. But for the purposes today, I'm going to be showcasing you how to just use a wet paper towel to fix this issue. Now, to fix this issue is honestly, it's just pretty easy. It's similar to the sticky tack where if you start asking how much of the paper towel you're going to be needing, it's not really a lot. Since fortunately enough, the issue this figure has is just the fact that it's not fully gripping the other piece. The socket isn't gripping the ball peg. Now, what I mean by this, please don't take this as phallic, but the thing is that this is the ball joint, this is the head socket. It's so close to it being like exactly for it that it unfortunately comes off, which is exactly the issue, exactly the fix that this wet paper towel will be fixing. As you see, all I used is a corner of this paper towel. It's not that much, it's just a small corner of this paper towel, because all I really need is that to add a little bit more space to be filled. So again, it's kind of hard to show right now, but the thing is, it's a very thin sheet that this thing needs to grip on. And by using the paper towel, it gives it exactly enough space to take up within the socket for it to get stuck in there, which is exactly what we need. And as you can tell, it's now stuck in there. Now I actually have to put in a little bit more force to take it off. Now, how successful is this fix? Would I recommend this over the sticky tack? Yeah, honestly, it kind of just depends. Similar to the sticky tack, where this thing excels a lot better when it comes to sockets like this, like the hand, a lot of hand pieces, a lot of wrist pieces like this ball joint right here. This socket specifically, and even this type of socket as well, the sticky tack excels in, because it does exactly that. It gives it enough of an extra layer for it to stick on something else. So you can use as little as this amount of sticky tack on this piece, and the Bucky stays stuck there forever, which is great, which is perfect. Similarly comes with hand pieces. If you just need that little bit more amount of grip, the sticky tack, the wet paper towel piece is exactly what you need. And similar to how I showed you how much sticky tack you need for this Bucky figure or this type of issue, is roughly the same amount of wet paper towel you're going to be using. As you can see by the little indent that the paper towel piece has now, that thin amount that you see right here, that thin layer of paper towel, is exactly the amount that you need to fix this type of issue. Similarly goes for other very small socket pieces that just needs that extra amount of grip. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Do I use it over the sticky tack? Unfortunately, no. My favorite fix for this type of problem when it comes to like smaller pieces like the head and the wrists, I'd still rather use sticky tack, mainly because it's, for one, in the name, it's sticky, so it gives it that sticky property that unfortunately this wet paper towel doesn't give. But what the paper towel does give is enough friction on a loose piece, which is perfect. Which, on the site, I have a Arkham Knight from Revoltech. It's like knee hinge. It's knee hinge. It's not this one, but it's not just like this one. But if I can show you the Saitama that I have on the side, this knee hinge, is this a ball? Nah. This hinge piece right here just needs a little bit more friction for it to stick. And on the Arkham Knight, if you check out the previous YouTube short, it sticks so well simply just because it takes up enough space that the figure needs. Unfortunately, I don't have the Arkham Knight on me right now, but trust me when I say that for the site, using the paper towel method is really good when it comes for you needing friction. But when it comes to you just needing a little bit more like stick or even just a thin layer, I'd still recommend the sticky tech, unfortunately. But yeah, again, these are two methods that you can use, and as you can see, more options means more chances of success. While unfortunately, the paper towel doesn't fix everything, nor does the sticky tech, it's an option you can take up to possibly fix a different issue for a different figure at any point in time, which is perfect, right? Now, yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching.